Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, sorry, we have to take extra class further today. I think actually here are so many problems. At least we complete the syllabus because dates are not. Network already changed date only we received 25th to 6th we received. After that they won't change. Chances are to change. At least we complete the syllabus means what? Somewhat you can attempt. Correct? Hmm? Anyway, we decided to take one or two extra classes. This is feel as an extra class. How it is there? Who is there in hostel? Water is there fully in university? Surroundings university full water is there or not? Nobody is there in hostel. Huh? Hello? Am I audible or not? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
How it is there actually? In water is there a full hostel surroundings fully?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right. We at least we take one or two extra class means what we can complete. Already this is actually real class. This also means what we will not have. Anyway, we start. Wait. So one-dimensional wave equation or vibrating string. So what is the equation? Tell me how you will remember. Suppose if they tell me, so first what you will write dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Then correct solution, how can you write y of x comma t is equal to c1 cos px, c2 sin px, c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. So wave equation is first you can remember this you can remember. Then initial and boundary conditions. Y of x is equal to 0, there is no vibration, 0. Y of L comma t is equal to 0. Already I told you, y with respect to t 2 times, y with respect to x 2 times means what? In terms of x, 2 boundary conditions plus 2 boundaries in terms of t. So we have the 4 boundary conditions. Next, initially there is no velocity. Dou y by dou t at t is equal to 0 is equal to 0. They will give initial velocity, initial displacement, sorry. So this you can take y of x comma 0. In this problem what they will do, that is lambda x into Lx minus x square like this. Correct? Up here clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if we put first this is you can take equation A or 1. This you can take 1. This you can recall, these all are important. 3, 4. If you first put 1 is equal to means what? 1 implies what? C1 is equal to 0. C1 is equal to 0, my y of x comma t become what? C2 sin px, C3 cos pat, C4 sin pat. Maybe this I will take A means 1, 2, 3, 4 means I will take maybe B. Then second condition imposes what I am telling, P is equal to what? Second condition is substitute what will be, P is equal to what? Huh?
N pi by L.
N pi by L. P is equal to n pi by l. So my equation become what? Y of x comma t. This is what from second. Y of x comma t is equal to what? Becomes C2 sin n pi x by l. C3 cos n pi a t by l plus C4 sin n pi a t by l. This you can take equation C. For fourth condition, if you substitute from third condition, what you will get? From third condition, if you say d by dou by this equation, you can do dou by dou t. Then equal to 0. Dou by dou t equal to 0 means what? What you will get? C for 0, huh? Right?
Yes, sir.
So from third, what can you get? C4 is equal to 0. So my whole equation become what? Y of x comma t is equal to C2 sin n pi x by n, C3 cos n pi a t by l. Okay. This equation up here clear? Any doubt? So whatever may be problem, like tape recorder, you have to do these all steps. First write the equation, four boundary condition. First boundary condition you substituted, you will get C1 is equal to, then it's plus B. Second in B, second second condition, if you impose means what P is equal to n pi by n you get. Then you will get this C equation. Then C equation, if you substitute third equation means what? You will get this is the equation. This you can write C2, C3 is equal to. Clear above top? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Only Ananya voice, the remaining other what I don't know. This y of x comma t, how can I write? C2, C3 sin n pi x by l cos n pi a t by l. Then C2, C3 is equal to I call Cn. Then I will write superimposition condition. Superimpose condition means not Cn. N is equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by l cos n pi a t by l. So this equation, if you want, you can take B. This is the actually general equation. If you substitute y of x comma is equal to f of x means what? F of x is equal to this become 1 Cn sin n pi x by l. Cn you can call as a Bn, that is nothing but the offerings sin series. Up here clear? Then actually you can go for the offering. Whatever may be problem, up to these steps all are same. This displacement given. Sometimes they will give velocity. That is different story. Clear, sir? Everyone say yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. All are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shout actually. Vinmati, are you there or sleeping?
Yes, sir. I'm sleeping.
Huh? Sleeping.
No, sir.
Are you okay? Why so lowly you are speaking? Are you feeling well or not? Say yes. No. Okay. Clear up here, clear. Copy down this whatever may be. This up to this story, same story. Remaining is what? Depending on f of x, the problem will change. This is only one problem, important problem what I told. L lambda x into L minus x. Lambda x into L minus x. That you can remember. Then in this second problem I will do, we see. Take next question. A tightly stretched string. Very good problem. This is also. Up here clear. First problem is what? K into Lx minus x square or lambda into Lx minus x square. 0 to L. Half range sine series. That formula maybe you will get answer is what? 8kn square by pi cube n cube. N is equal to odd values only. It's a very good problem. Similarly, second problem. A tightly stretched string with fixed endpoints is initially in a position given by y of x comma 0 is equal to y naught sin cube pi x by L. It is released from rest this position. Find the displacement y at any distance x from one endpoint to one endpoint at any time. See, again I am reading things. A tightly stretched string with fixed endpoints x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L is initially in a position given by y of x. So initially some position is there, displacement is there. So while tightening maybe the displacement will be there, that initial. Then after that releasing, up to that you are not released, but inside some displacement is there, initial displacement t is equal to 0. Once if your problem starts, if you touch the string is what? Released from the rest, this position, find the displacement y. After that he is asking what is the displacement at any point x from one endpoint to that point. What is the displacement asking at any time? So general solution is asking. Note down, this is very good problem, this is also. Copy down question fast. Once if you copy, you can tell me. Okay. Seeing this, what you will write first? What is your aim? Tell me. Displacement given vibrating string is telling this. What you will write first? What you will write? Tell me.
d square y by dt square equal to
D
a
square. D square. D square. Ananya. D square.
dou square.
Ah. While you write correct on you pronounce correctly. Dou square y by. Tell me. A square into dou square y by dou x square. Immediately what you will write? Correct solution. General solution is what? Y of x comma t is equal to what? Speak out.
c1 cos px
Very good.
plus c2 sin px.
Cos sin you can write alphabetical C, yes, like this. Then it won't change the problem. But if you write also C1, C2 are changes values. Then
c3 cos p80
C4
sin p80.
sin PT. This you can take equation 1. Now conditions are what? By initial and boundary conditions. Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, there is no displacement. At x is equal to L, there is no displacement. Initial velocity 0. Dou y by dou t, that is what x comma 0, t is equal to 0, we said x comma 0 is equal to 0. Then fourth is what? Y of displacement, initial displacement is what? T is equal to 0. This is t is not constant, x is constant. Here is what? T0, T0. This is called initial condition, this is called boundary conditions. Y of x comma 0, what is given? Tell me. Y not? Why not? Tell me. Displacement what given? Initial displacement.
y
Why
naught
not?
sin square pi
Sin cube.
q sin cube pi x by l.
I have written cube by square there. Tell me. Yeah. Cube, correct? Huh? Why not? Now, I will skip the steps. Already I know if I apply the first condition, but in examination you have to write. Here I am skipping. If I apply the first condition, C1 is equal to 0, remaining equation C2 sin px, C3 cos p80, C4 sin p80. Second condition, if I apply y of l comma t is equal to 0, p is equal to n pi by l, so my equation becomes C2 n sin n pi x by l, C3 cos n pi 80 by l, C4 l cos sin n pi 80 by l. Correct? Suppose if I apply the third condition, C4 is equal to 0, then I will get C2 sin n pi x by l, C3 cos n pi 80 by l. Then C2, C3 I will call as a Cn. Then in superimposition condition, sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by l cos n pi 80 by l. That is the condition. Now fourth condition, if I apply this means what? Cos become 1 actually. So Cn sin n by x by l, that is nothing but the half-range sine series. Up to here clear? So I am skipping directly, I go to the solution. Can I write? Can I do now?
Yes, sir.
Say yes, sir. No. So because anyway you have to do, if you give some place, then after completing the problem, every story you can write. I am skipping. Then what I will do, up to third condition I will go. Up to I will write up to superimposition condition. Then I will go for the next condition. Clear? Before that you have to do all conditions. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D like this. Just I am skipping. Directly I am going. Can I go? Because anyway for all problems same story only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Copied everyone question? Shall I got the question?
Yes, sir.
So after doing all sort of things, where I will reach means this is up to third condition. Maybe equation C A is B, C, then D is the equation of D. Up to I substituted third equation, C n is equal to 1 to infinity. Up to three conditions I will reach this. After that what I will do, fourth condition is what? Phi of x comma 0 is equal to y naught sin cube pi x by l. So put t is equal to 0 means what I will get? Y naught sin cube pi x by l. N is equal to 1 to infinity. Cn sin n pi x by l. Clear? Sir, clear? So remaining three have do. If you have doubt, you can ask me actually again. I will do no problem actually. Don't leave the problem. It's very very important. Maybe examination this also they have asked very easy problem. You know. Here I don't want to expand the Fourier offering series. Why means what? This expansion of survey will get what? C1 cos pi x by l, C2 sin 2 pi x by l, C3 in terms of sin. This is also in terms of sin. You know. So this if I able to change the sum of the sign means what some coefficients if I compare both sides my job is over. I don't want to go for the Fourier series because right side also sign, left side also sign. If I both side if I expand means what this coefficient is equal to this coefficient is equal to this I will tell you. Correct? Okay? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this sine cube from anywhere you can write summation. You have any idea what is sine 3x? What is sine 3x?
3 sin x, 3
Very
sin
good.
x minus 4 sin cube x.
Hey, Sana Pala is there or not? What is name? I forget it. Is there? What is name? That boy name? Harisha. No.
Sunabana sir.
That
Agarish.
is. What is name actually?
Agarish.
Agree.
Adesha. Is there? I think he is not there. Only 2% are missing.
Yes, sir.
Is there now only joined Agesh. Hey Agesh,
Yes, sir.
you are there, huh? You are not talking. Why? I think you are scolding me or cursing me. I think so. There is no way, sir. Sorry, but we have to complete syllabus. See, a lot of problems also I am taking class. What can you tell me? Enjoy, enjoy. Come on, sir. Sin 3x formula. Tell me. Agesh, tell me. Sleeping, I think so. Computer on. Sin 3x is equal to, can I write 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x? From this sin cube x is equal to, tell me what is. Shall I rub off here? Sir, this is all you have to do. I am skipping actually. In between 2 steps I skipped actually. That you can give the space, after that you can come. Now from this sin cube x is equal to, tell me what is sin cube x? What is sin cube x? 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, this sin cube pi x by L, how can I write? Tell me. Y naught by 4. Sin cube pi x by L, can I write? 3 sin pi x by L, agree? Minus sin 3 pi x by L. Are you agree? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Divide by 4. This, if you want, you can note down this. I will rub off fast. Sin 3x formula, you know. Anyway, I am rubbing. That's very time wasting. Is equal to what? It's very, 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 very important question. Now we see, here sin pi x by L is there, sin 3 pi x by L there. If we expand this, C1 sin pi x by L, C2 sin 2 pi x by L, C3 sin 3 pi x by L, C4 sin, up to infinity it will go or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, this how can I write? I am expanding slowly. Sin pi x by L, C2 sin 2 pi x by L, C3 sin 3 pi x by L plus C4 sin 4 pi x by L up to infinity. Okay. Now this is equal to what actually? This fellow. 3y naught by 4 sin pi x by L minus y naught by 4 sin. Comparing both sides, here sin pi x by L is equal to what? 3y naught by 4. So C1 is equal to what? 3y naught by 4. Then C2 is not there. So C2 is equal to 0. Sin 3 pi x by L coefficient is what? Minus y naught by 4. Yes, y naught by 4. So C3 is equal to what? Minus y naught by C4 0. So remaining all are 0. From this, what you understand? Comparing, because both are equal. So here you are not doing any Fourier series on both sides. What you will get? Tell me. C1 is equal to what? C2 is equal to 0. Then C4 is equal to 0. C5 is equal to 0. C6 is equal to 0. C7 is equal to 0. C8 is equal to 0. But one term is lying actually. C3. What is C3, sir? It's very, 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 very good problem. Vinmati, okay, yeah. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay or not? I'm going fast.
Okay, sir.
Net is there or not actually? You have that net Wi-Fi is there, in your hostel. Your hostel. Okay. Now, from this, what you understand in this infinite series, only C1, C2. Now come back. C1 only stands, C3 only stands in general solution. So remaining are algebra. Now solution you can write. Clear, copy down fast. Copy. Sir, copy. Now, actually general solution, this is only general solution. This here I want to substitute Cn. But Cn is not a infinite series, only it stands only instead of Cn for me. C1, C3 only standing. So the solution is got C1 into this fellow plus C3 into that fellow. Clear above? Shall appear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Speak out, sir, please, sir. I am only asking questions, I am only telling a very bad. Now, general solution is what? Final solution. Y of x comma t is equal to, there is no sigma notation, only two terms, you know the two terms. C1 is what? 3y0 by 4 sin pi x by L cos pi a t. N is equal to 1. Yeah. The important is what? How you are writing solution of important. 1 means 1, don't substitute N. C1 means 1, 1 minus C3 is what? What is C3 value? What is C3 value? What is C3 value? Y0 by 4 sin 3 pi x by L cos 3 pi a t by L. This is the general solution. Very, very important. There is no sigma notation. This problem also very important question. Sign terms means just you can change, there is no need to expand. This first sum and second sum change. Next type of the sums are velocity. Initially some velocity there. So third condition may be some function of x. Fourth condition initial displacement they won't give. Initial velocity they will give. So equations will change. This also I will do one problem. Means this This is what zero velocity problems. Now we are going to do non-zero velocity problems. Come on, take 18. These problems up to what we done is what? Zero velocity. Velocity is zero. Now we will do non-zero velocity. Initially some velocity they will do. So using that how to do? So non-zero velocity is what? While reading the problem you can clearly read it. They are telling the initial displacement or initial velocity. Read problem properly, then attack the problem. Correct? Huh? Don't hurry. Read properly. They given initial displacement means what? So zero velocity. Initially velocity they give means what? Initial non-zero velocity. Velocity is there. Like this you can think and do. Okay? Now we can see how they will do initial velocity. They will do same story. Equation you can write. Dou square by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square by dou x square. Same story. Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Y of l comma t is equal to 0. But this will become y of initially displacement 0. Y of x comma 0. Then dou y by dou t at t is equal to 0 is some f of x they will take. These two are interchanging actually. Previously, this is third condition, this is fourth condition. Now, this become fourth condition, fourth will have become third condition. General solution, same story only. Y of x comma t is what? C4 sin pt. Same story. For first condition C10 is n is equal to, but this what you will get, this is important actually. There actually sin and cos standing, if sin and tan carry, C3 becomes 0 actually. After the derivative means what? Sin become cos. So there what actually C4 0, here C3 0. Again old story. Okay, while doing the problem we'll understand. So read the problem properly, then attack. Okay. Can you give one problem? Say yes or no. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Same problem. A tightly stretched string fixed endpoints x is equal to L is initially rest rest in its equilibrium in position if it is set to vibrating giving each point a velocity. It's very important. Previously is telling displacement, we are telling velocity. You want, you can note down this. Velocity lambda x into L minus x. Then show that y of x comma t is equal to, it's already this result we know, 8y lambda 2 pi to the power of 4 a 1 3 5 infinity 1 by n to the power of 4 sin n pi again, both are sin only. Here's C30. Sir, copy it. Question you can copy it. While reading the question, you can properly convey it. They are giving velocity or initial displacement. Initial displacement means what? Velocity 0. Velocity given means what? That the conditions will change. Two types of problems. Non-zero velocity means what? Velocity will be there. Zero velocity means what? Previous problems. So velocity is equal to 0, we proved. Sir, copy it. Copied or not? Say yes or no. You people are there or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I continue? Same story. Then immediately what you will write? Tell me. Equation you can write. Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. General solution is what? Y of x comma t is equal to c1 cos px, c2 sin px, c3 cos t18 plus c4 sin t18. Whatever may be, this is the general solution. Now conditions are what? Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0, y of L comma t is equal to 0, then y of x comma initially displacement 0. Then fourth condition is what? Dou y by dou t at x comma 0 is equal to that problem.
F of
What
x.
what is the problem? Lambda x into L minus x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very carefully you can write. Previously, you will write this is as a third condition is equal to 0, y of x comma 0, you will write f of x. Here reverse actually. Third condition become fourth condition become third condition. Copy down. From the first condition, what you will get, tell me? C1 is equal to 0, same story. From second condition, P is equal to n by L. Third condition, maybe you will get C4 is equal to 0. Share above here, problem? Sir, question clear above. Clear above the question, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
happened?
sir.
Nobody is talking very bad, sir. I'm shouting like a mad fellow here. Actually, we have today class. Actually, due to rain only we missed. This is not class, extra class. Everyone completed syllabus. We are going slowly. Then also you are not understanding. Okay. First condition is what? Y of 0 comma t is equal to 0. From A, what I will get? Tell me. C1 is equal to 0. Huh? If you substitute, it means what? This is what? C1 into this will get. So implies C1 is equal to 0. Now y of x comma t is equal to what? C2 sin px, C3 cos pat plus C4 sin pat. This is equation B. Now second condition is what? Y of L comma t is equal to 0. Y of L comma t 0 substituted in B means what? Then implies from B what I will get? P is equal to n pi by L. We substitute, you can see. So this is what? 0 is equal to C2 sin PL C3 cos PAT C4 sin PAT. So this cannot be 0, C2 cannot be 0, implies sin PL is equal to 0 implies PL is equal to n pi. So P is equal to n pi by L. C is equal to n pi by L. If we go back and substitute it, my D become what? Y of x comma 2 is equal to C2 sin n pi x by L, then C3 cos n pi a t by L plus C4 sin n pi a t by L. This is 3C. Now next condition is what? Y of x comma t, sorry. Next condition is what? Third condition. Y of x comma 0 is equal to 0. Initially displacement 0. Y of x comma 0 means what? From C whatever you get. So this will stand actually 0 is equal to C2 sin n pi x by L, then C3. So from this what you understand? C3 is equal to 0. If you put T is equal to 0 means what? Cos 0 1, sin 0 vanish. Only C3 0. So if this C2 cannot be 0, this cannot be 0. Only chances are C3 is equal to 0. C3 is equal to 0. If you substitute C means what will you get? Tell me. So C3 is equal to 0. Substituting in C, what I will get? Y of x comma t is equal to C2 C4, C2 sin n pi x by L, C4 sin n pi a t by L. Then C2 C4 is equal to Cn. Put C2 C4 is equal to Cn. I will get superposition. General solution what I will get? Y of x comma t is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity Cn sin n pi x by L sin n pi a t by L. This is what D. This is the general solution actually. Now come on. Last condition is what? Dou y by dou t at x comma 0 is equal to what? Lambda x into L minus x. Correct? Now if you substitute what you get? Differentiate first. Dou y by dou t can find out. Dou y by dou t is equal to what we get? Sigma Cn sin n pi x by L, then cos n pi a t by L into n pi a by L. Now dou y by dou t is equal to sigma Cn n pi a by L. This term one extra term will get actually. Sin n pi x by L cos n pi a t by L. Now what I want? Dou y by dou t at x comma 0 is equal to lambda x into L minus x. So that is equal to lambda x into L minus x. If you put it t is equal to 0 means what this fellow become 1. Sigma Cn n pi a by L sin n pi x by L. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Sir? Okay, sir. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If people making
Yes, sir.
me cry, sir, you can speak out. Now, this, can I substitute this whole fellow is going to Bn? Whole fellow is going to Bn, can I substitute it?
Yes, sir.
Now, come on. Shall I rub off here? It's a very, very important question, sir. Guarantee one question. 16 marks in final exam. You are anyway, you are writing offline, guarantee questions. These are solid questions. And put Cn n pi a by L is equal to Bn. So this become what? Lambda x lambda x into L minus x is equal to Bn sin n pi x by L. But what is my Bn? 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x sin n pi x by L. Who is f of x here? Who is f of x? Who is f of x? So for this already we got solution. What is the solution? 8k L square by n cube pi cube. Answer n is equal to odd number. Cut check. Kx into L minus x. What we got? Answer tell me. Bn. Here also I am skipping actually. What is the answer? Previous problem kx into L minus x means what I got? 8k L square by n cube pi cube. N is odd value 1, 3, 5. Correct? Yes sir. Say yes or no for me. That is enough.
Yes, sir.
Same answer now. 8k L square by n cube pi cube. Instead of k, what I will get now? Instead of k, what I will get? Instead of k, who is there?
Lambda.
So what is the answer? Tell me. 8 lambda L square by n cube pi cube if n is equal to what?
135.
5. Then Bn is equal to what? 0 if even numbers. Correct?
Even numbers.
Okay. Everything we got. Now come on slowly. There my solution is equal to what? Cn sin n pi x by L into sin n pi a t by L. Now who is Cn actually? Bn is equal to Cn by n pi by l. So Cn is equal to what? Cn is equal to Bn into L by n pi a. Correct? Now who is my Bn? This term only extra will come. Previously whole story same actually. So this is equal to what? 8 lambda L cube n pi cube, sir. This is pi cube. So n power 4 pi to the power 4 a. This is equal to Cn. Actually, superimposition solution theorem of understanding or not? Clear? Okay or not, please? Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is my solution actually? General solution y of x comma t is equal to sigma Cn sin n pi x by l sin n pi a t by l. Now, what is my Cn now? 135, then 8 lambda L cube n power 4 pi to the power of 4 into a sin n pi x by l sin n pi a t by l. Proved. This only is asking. So copy done. So I hope I'll stop here because nobody responding. Why I don't know. Again, one extra class I will take you. At what time I don't know. Just like this only I will inform. Try to understand and come and join with me. Okay. Okay. Now we can leave. Next class we start. I will inform you. And normal regular class is there, but extra class again I will to take 1 or 2 class. Like 1 hour, 1 only. Don't give too much time. At least half an hour also. Next is small topic. This 1 half an hour I will take and leave. At least somewhat we can cover the syllabus for cycle test 3. Fully we complete. Don't worry. Time is there. Okay. Now we can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Leave. Next I will call you. And come in.
What?
Next class I will tell you. What is the next class?
No. I want to sleep, but I want to study.
Very good. Fine. Now you
Shit.
go and sleep. Go and sleep, yeah.